So here we are at the course site for our class, Lead 34150 Fall 2021. We are in the general area right now, but you'll be mostly using your particular team channel. It's got a little lock there because the only people that can get into this channel are the ones that I've created the team for. So if I click into Team 1, so to see the members of Team 1, I would just come down here, click Manage Channel. See, I am in all the channels or all the teams, but then it lists the members that I've created for Team 1. So you'll be working, these are the people that will be working with Team 1 the entire semester on their virtual project. There's some important file structure here. I've uploaded all the template files that you're going to need for your virtual project right here. They're all listed right here, so you would download those, and the person responsible for that particular element is the one that works on it. And when you've completed it and everyone has reviewed it, you'll come back here. There again, I said everyone, after everyone has contributed their input to it, you come back here and you upload that file to the instructor review. That's when I take a look at it and give feedback on it. I won't be giving feedback on it until all the team has looked at it and made it correct for their particular project, and then it's uploaded to the instructor review files. I will give it a good to go, or I'll give some type of feedback that says, well, you need to change this, or you need to take a look at this. But after I give it that good to go from the instructor review files, what you then do is upload it to the good to go files. So when it's uploaded there, that means you've got an A on that particular part of it. You don't really, the individual project elements are graded, however. After they're all put into one large file document at the end of the semester, I will grade the entire document one more time. But if you get all of the project elements that are in the good to go category, you're pretty much going to get max points on your project, unless I see some formatting errors or some things like that. So to review, you've got 3 sections here: the template files. So whoever's going to do that particular project element downloads it, shares it with the rest of the team. They say, okay, it's good, it's okay now. It's uploaded to the instructor review file. And then I look at it and make any comments again. When I say it's good to go, and that'll be a comment, then and only then do you upload it to the good to go files. So all the teams are laid out exactly the same way. Each of you are a member of a team. You should try to meet as soon as you possibly can. Someone needs to set a date to make that first team meeting. So that takes a little leadership on your part. But I would take the team's training and get that finished. So everybody should be versed on that. Maybe take that first week, and maybe the first weekend then of the course, plan your first project team meeting. And this is simply where you're going to get to know each other, but more importantly, you're going to divvy out all the project management elements that your team is going to be responsible for. And those files, again, are located in the template files. So I'm going to return to the Blackboard site now. With this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to go to our Microsoft Teams site for this project management class, go to your particular channel, which is reserved for just your team, and then how to create a video session where you can collaborate and talk about your project. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are at our Blackboard site. So if we come over to our menu, click MS Teams. That's a web link that's going to take us to MS Teams. When this prompt comes up, just click Allow. And it's going to take just a little while to get to the Microsoft Teams account that I have set up for this project management class. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you get to the class Teams account. But what you'll notice is you'll only see the team that you're on, but all 5 of our teams I have set up with team members. So I'm going to just select the first team, Team 1, and then here you'll have you can start conversations and type information to each other, start the any type of message board type thing. But the main thing you'll be using this for is to meet. So you come up here after you click into your team, come up here and click Meet. And see, we're on Team 1. So you could title this Team 1. Make sure the camera and the microphone are toggled on. If you want to enter the group with your mic off, you just slide it over and it has a little not sign through it. But I'm going to toggle it on for now. And then simply click Join Now. So what you'll notice a menu bar across here, and you have a number of options. Right now, the participants are shown. Right now, there's only one participant in the meeting, and that's me. But as the team members join, they will come up here, and they will be underneath me, in this case, as the team organizer, that they have joined the meeting. So that's with the participants icon. If you click the Show Conversation, now this is the messaging that you can type in. You just type in the message and hit the Enter key. For large groups, a lot of the times protocol will want you to raise your hand, and whoever has organized the meeting will then recognize you. Okay, one of the main features that you will be using, other than using this video chat to converse with each other, is the share option. And this is where you're going to share a file. And let's say you're the person that's responsible for, say, stakeholder analysis, stakeholder register. What you would do is have that file already open on your desktop. And then you will come up here to share that file with everyone so that everyone can review it. Click the up arrow, the share button. All of the applications on your desktop can now be viewed. So if we click the Microsoft Word document Stakeholder Register, everyone can see this document in Microsoft Teams. Obviously the document would already be filled out, but everyone on the team can review it and make comments, and the owner of it can actually make changes on the fly. So after this project element is reviewed, changed, collaborated on by the team, then you simply stop sharing. Of course, after everything is reviewed, you would always hit the save button so that you would save the file. So that's how you collaborate on the project elements. So in order to stop sharing, click the little button there, and you go right back to your meeting room. So to review, this is how you go to your team site, your particular team channel, have a meeting, and share your files.